In this video, I will show you how to get blast call in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to actually go ahead and get blast call, the first thing you're going to want to do, as you can see I'm here on my LEGO Fortnite world, and you want to actually come across to a desert area. So once you're in your desert area, what you're going to want to do is search for a cave. Now these do look the same as the ones in the grass plains and the frozen plains, so you can see it looks kind of like a turtle shell from above. And what you want to do is make sure that you've got some kind of weapon, so like a sword or a crossbow, and once you've done that you can go ahead and enter into the cave. So here we are inside the cave. Now to actually go ahead and get blast call, what you need to do is find the desert rollers. So this is where you can obtain the blast call from. You can get break call from the rocks, but if you just go and search through the cave, so we can see for example there is a desert roller just down here. And what I'm going to do is just basically they do explode, so you want to make sure you stay quite far away so that you don't obviously take any damage. What you want to do is basically wait for them to ignite like this, and what they're going to do is explode. After exploding, they're going to drop the blast call down, so you can see that I've obtained some blast call. So the desert rollers look like this. As I say, what you can do is start attacking them to initiate the explosion process, or alternatively let enemies attack them in the cave. And this blue shiny object down here is your actual blast call, so once they've exploded, you can go and pick this up and get your blast call. So that's how to go ahead and get blast call in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.